What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're going to install the INJEN intake for the Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're back. Today we're gonna install the new intake. I have an INJEN intake for the Supra, so this one it should sound better and more amazing. We have the box over there, so let's open the box first and let's see what it comes inside of the box. Okay guys, this is what it comes on the box. Come with the, I think I call it heat shield, this one, with the pipe, INJEN, the filter. That's the model of the filter right there. Let me remove this. I don't need this. And it comes with these extra things and plastics and the screws. And this is the model of the intake. So now let's remove the old one. I hope it's not that hard. But let's do that next. Now the box is removed, but wow, you can see the turbo right there. I like it, at the damn pipe. Wow. Okay, let's continue with this. Okay, this hose is removed, but it has another hose here. For those of you guys know where can I get this pipe to replace this one with another pipe, put it on the comments, the brand and the name, because I might want to replace this one too. It's plastic. Alright, but for now the plastic thing goes here, the hose. Okay, when you are installing the sensor to the new pipe, use the new screws provided from the new intake because they are not the same thread, so do not use the OEM screws. Alright, so I have this, but I did one mistake. I have to remove this plastic because if not, it's like a on the air, so I have to remove the plastic that holds the box. I have to remove that one. Let me remove that. Alright, so now it's straight because it was a little bit crooked and it was bending this. So this lock nut, you can see it, it's there. And here you can see, where is it at? Right there. So I just have to tie this one down, and now the next thing is put the pipe for the intake. Alright guys, so this is done. But it's touching here. I don't know if it's touching this plastic, the intake. I don't know if it's that normal, but that's the way it goes. It doesn't move anywhere, so it's the filter is touching this plastic, but this is plastic, so it won't melt the filter. But everything is done. Another thing, this one, kind of loose. I wish this was tighter. Yeah, it's a little bit loose. But and this one I bent it a little bit. It's alright because I forgot to remove the plastic that is under there. So it was I was bending this bracket. But now it's fine. So now let's test the sound. Let's do it without moving the car, and then let's take it for a ride. Hope you can see it, hear it on the camera. Okay, in here. Alright guys, so that's the new intake. I love it, it's amazing. But for some reason I don't hear it when the car is in the park position. But when you put it in drive and drive it around, the turbo is very loud and super nice and cool. I like it. But let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. Okay guys, that's the new intake. The sound is amazing, I love it. So the link for this intake is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.